Right, good morning, students. Today, our concept is coal and petroleum. Already, this is third video. Look here, in this third video, we are going to speak about coal. Coal mean we know that is in color of black. We will use that coal for burning purpose. When coal is burning, we are telling that coal is a energy source. That's why it is producing heat and light. Look here, coal. What is coal? Coal is a fossil fuel. First point, simply to tell, coal is a fossil fuel. Already I told you, which remains in the earth crusts, which remains in the earth crust, plants, bodies, animals bodies, human bodies, any body, any living body under the earth crusts, that bodies converts into fossil fuels within few years. After few years, look here, coal. Coal also it is a fossil fuel which is made by living bodies under earth crust. Now look here, we will look. Fossil fuel, it is a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary meaning is that maximum standard. Medium standard, not maximum, not minimum, medium standard. Sedimentary rock that burns. Coal is a sedimentary rock and it will burn. Next point, it mainly contains, look here, what it is containing, that is important. It mainly contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Coal mainly contains three elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. And look there again, it also has some quantity of, look here, it also has some quantity of nitrogen and sulfur. Totally 5 elements it is containing. Coal containing totally 5 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. I mean, nitrogen and sulfur are less quantity only, but mainly carbon. Look here, different types of coal, and it is a energy source. Already I told you, coal is a energy source. That's why it is burning and giving light and heat energy. Look here, different types of coal. How many types of coal is there? Look here, peat, second type lignite, third type bituminous, fourth type anthracite. 4 types of coals are there. 4. 1 peat, second lignite, third bituminous, fourth anthracite. 4 types. Why the 4 types and what is the difference between them? That is important. When carbon percentage is less, I mean 60%, in one substance, in one coal substance, not normal substance, in a coal substance, when the carbon percent is 60, when the carbon percent is 60, that coal substance called peat coal substance. Peat coal substance. And when in one carbon substance, carbon percent is 70, we will call that lignite coal substance. When carbon percent is 80, we will call it bituminous coal substance. 90% carbon there, then we will call that anthracite substance. When carbon substance is, carbon percentage is increasing, value also increased. Anthracite coal, very costful. And peat coal, less costful. Maximum we are using, look here, more. We are using more bituminous coal, 80% carbon there. Bituminous coal we are using more. And look here, destructive distillation. What is destructive distillation? Destructive distillation definition, simple we should tell. When coal is burning, anything is burning without oxygen. Any substance is burning without oxygen, or any substance is burning absence of oxygen. That process is called destructive distillation. Destructive distillation is nothing but any substance burning in the absence of oxygen. That only I written. It is a process. It is a process when any substance is heated. When any substance is heated in absence of air. Simple, I told oxygen, but absence of air. Look here. When look here, just one practical. This is Bunsen burner, which is burning, which is a lighting here. Look here. And this is one test tube. Inside of test tube we take an powdered coal. Inside of test tube we take an powdered coal. And we completely close the test tube with a rubber cork. And we connected one pipe from this test tube to this test tube. Inside of second test tube, we already filled some water. Half of test tube is filled with water. And downside which substance is gathered, that substance is called coal tar. And upside water there now, why the water is there? Why the water is there in that tube? Look here. This dissolves, this water dissolves ammonia to form ammonical liquor. Ammonia to form ammonical liquor. Ammonical liquor, what is it? Which ammonia substance containing water more. That is called ammonical liquor. I will tell you that now. Look here. So here very clearly this is coal gas, which gas is going up again. Actually while burning time this powdered coal is burning and when it is boiling one gas is coming downside of it. Inside of that gas, when that gas is dissolving in water, automatically here coal tar is stored. Downside coal tar is stored. Again upside one gas is going. That gas is called coal gas. Upside going gas is called coal gas. Downside stored material is called coal tar. And look here. Products obtained on destructive distillation of coal. What products we are getting? What products we are obtaining? Look here. One, coke we obtain. Coke. Second, where we coke obtain? Look here. Where we obtain coke? Coal tar is this. Coal gas is that. 1 minute. Okay. We are obtaining coke somewhere there. And ammonical liquor downside we obtain. Next what we are obtaining? Coal tar we obtain and coal gas we obtain. Right. So here when we are obtaining coal tar, coal gas, ammonical liquor, coke, look here, use of above substances. What is that? Coke there, for example. Coke used as reducing agent. Please remember it. Reducing agent in metallurgy as fuel. Removes oxygen directly. What is reducing agent in metallurgy. Actually, when you are digging or when you are receiving the metals are in ore form. Which form? Ore form. Ore means having some dust along with them. Soil, other substances along with the metals. So that other substances are removing purpose. That different types of substances are removing purpose. We are using coke. We are using coke to remove the remaining substances which is mixed with the metals. So look here, for example, our metal target is zinc. We need zinc, but zinc is with oxygen. So zinc oxide plus coke gives rise to zinc plus carbon dioxide. Look there, coke and oxygen separated from zinc oxide. So zinc is got separately. This process is called reducing agent in metallurgy. By using coke, we are separating oxygen from metals. So coke is using for that type of processes. Second, what is that? Ammonical liquor. Look here, what is ammonical liquor? Already I told you, ammonical liquor means where ammonia having more percent of water. Where ammonia is having more percent of water, we are calling it ammonical liquor. Look here, it is converted into ammonium sulfate. That ammonical liquor converts into ammonium sulfate by absorbing dilute sulfuric acid, and it is a good fertilizer. Ammonium sulfate is a good fertilizer which is enriched soil. Fertilizer means which will enrich the soil for get a growth of plants. Already you know the fertilizers, Look here. Ammonical liquor. What is the form? Ammonical liquor. NH4OH plus. When you are mixing with the sulfuric acid H2SO4, then look here, after reaction, NH4 of 2SO4. NH4 of 2SO4. I mean this is ammonium sulfate. Two molecules are there. Ammonium sulfate. That is ammonium sulfate, and this is excellent fertilizer. Excellent, not good, excellent fertilizer, ammonium sulfate. What fertilizer can do? Fertilizer can enrich the soil. And here coal tar. What is coal tar? Look here. Coal tar, it is used for surfacing roads. Look here, surfacing roads surfacing purpose. While preparing a road, while making a road, putting a road, creating a road, then coal tar is using. Coal tar is thick liquid actually. They will pour the liquid upon the soil. That after they will put the black stones, black things, that only road things. First of all, they will use coal tar liquid. Coal tar is a thick liquid which will capture tightly to keep strandedly. Look here, so coal tar is using for surfacing roads surfacing purpose, and also a source for different aromatic compounds. different aromatic compounds. Two types of uses I told for coal tar. One for roads surfacing purpose and aromatics compounds purpose. Coal tar, ammonical liquor and coke, three are completed, but we will speak coal gas in next session.